Hello everyone, I welcome you back to the Gerald Moses channel. Today we have a new video. I've been getting requests from friends who want to learn how to use the Trust Wallet app, so I'm going to show you how to set it up today. So before that, I'll first have to define what Trust Wallet is. So I'll go to the website before we go to the Play Store on how to set it up. So when you go to Google and you type in trustwallet.com, this is how the website looks like. Trust Wallet is the most trusted and secure crypto wallet. You can buy, store, collect NFTs, exchange, earn crypto, and also join 10 million other people using Trust Wallet. It's on Google Play Store. There's also an APK, and it's also on App Gallery. So this is the website. You can buy crypto with a card, exchange instantly. You deserve easy access to cryptocurrencies. You can have access to over 160,000 cryptocurrencies. Yes, and over 53 blockchains. So you can buy crypto with a card, exchange instantly, private and secure. Only you can access your wallet. We don't collect any personal data, so there is no need for KYC. There's no need for KYC. There's also a browser for dApps. You can use your favorite decentralized apps and find new ones without leaving your wallet. So the process is simple. Download the wallet, create a new wallet, and get some crypto. As I told you, it's on App Store, App Gallery, and on iPhone Store too. So the assets, let me click on assets. It's loading. As I told you earlier, Trust Wallet has more than 160,000 assets supported. That's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Let me just show you briefly a few of them here. Let me scroll down. Yes, as you can see, these are some of the assets: Bitcoin, BNB, Litecoin, Ripple, Polygon, that's Matic Dash, Tron, Bitcoin Cash. Just over 160,000, and the blockchains are 53. So I was just trying to show you this. These are the assets. So after this, by the way, Trust Wallet is owned by Binance. So it's the Binance official crypto wallet. So after this, you've got a brief. Let's go to Play Store. You go to your Play Store, you type in Trust. That is TUST. It's already here. Trust Wallet. You have to be careful of the exact wallet you download. So Trust Wallet, crypto and Bitcoin wallet, it's by dappsplatform.com. The size is 13 MBs and the rating is 4.6, and it has over 10 million downloads. So let's click about the app. So about this app, this is the Binance official crypto wallet whereby you can store Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, BNB, NFTs. Trust Wallet is the official crypto wallet of Binance. You can send, receive, and store Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies, including NFTs, safely and securely with the Trust Wallet mobile app. You can even use the Trust Wallet app to earn interest on your crypto, play blockchain games, collect NFTs, and access the latest dApps and DeFi platforms. Trust Wallet is a fast and secure crypto wallet with Binance Dex support, designed for ease of use and perfect for storing crypto assets. I will not read everything. Trust Wallet is designed to be the best crypto wallet by providing a safe and secure experience for our users. There is Binance Dex support, integration of Uniswap and PancakeSwap. You can buy Bitcoin with either the Euro or USD. You can send, receive NFTs. There's a Binance wallet. There's also Smart Chain, BEP20 support and BEP2 support. Ethereum wallet, you can send and receive and request ERC20, ERC721, and many other ERC tokens. You can check your crypto wallet balance, transaction history, and other details. Keep your private key secure with bank level security. You can use Face ID, Touch ID, or conventional passwords. There's a lot here. Store the following digital assets in your wallet. There is Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, BitTorrent, XRP, Zcash, Qtum, Dash, Filecoin, Callisto, Power, Icon, Binance Coin, Binance USD, Zelika. As I told you, there are over 160,000 assets, so I can't name all these assets. So after that, you can click on, let's go back, you click on, this is just a preview of how the app looks like. This is how it looks like. Just a few screenshots. Buy Ethereum and Bitcoin. View price charts, I'll show you this later. Exchange your coins instantly, as you can see this. Send and receive crypto. Spend anywhere with low fees. Use DeFi to lend and borrow, etc. But today our tutorial is mostly how to install it and set it up. The next video I'll show you how to use it. So you click on install. Takes a few seconds depending on how fast your internet is, so you just have to wait a few seconds. There we are, it's loading. So finally our app has downloaded, so you click on open. So this is how it loads when you're installing a new wallet. Private and secure. Private keys never leave your device. So there is create wallet, or I already have a wallet. So since we are new, so we are going to create a new wallet. But in case you have an old wallet and you had saved your private keys, you can restore it. So private and secure, all assets in one place. View and store your crypto assets seamlessly. Trade your assets anonymously. Explore decentralized apps. So we are going to create a new wallet. After downloading, you please review the Trust Wallet terms of service and privacy. We can review them, but most people rarely read them. But among the things that, in case you lose your private keys, okay, it's the main highlight of this terms and conditions. In case you lose the private keys, you lose access to your wallet, and Trust Wallet is not, and the dApps platform that makes this wallet isn't a responsibility for them. So if you agree, I again repeat, in case you lose your private keys, you lose access to your wallet, and there is no one to blame apart from you, and there is no way to recover it. So this is the next step. So back up your wallet now. In the next step, you will see 12 words that allows you to recover a wallet. I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. I'm going to read it again. You have to agree to this. I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So you continue. Here we are. And these are the recovery words. These are my recovery words. They are here. I click on copy them. Continue. Never share any recovery phase with anyone. Store it securely. You've again been told. I have to write this down. Now be tasked to put in the recovery words in the order I had them. So I have to put them in order. So finally we have created our recovery. We have created our wallet after I re-entered the recovery word. So your wallet was successfully created. So you click on done. Push notifications. Stay up to date. Enable to receive notifications for incoming transactions. You can enable that or disable. So this is how the app looks like when we first set it up. This is how it looks like. Obviously this is a new wallet, so I have $0.00. So it comes automatically loaded with Bitcoin. I mean, not really loaded, but it shows Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain. So in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to customize this, how to add tokens. But for today, I can show you how to customize this. I can rename this wallet. I can show you how to rename this wallet. Here we are. I can choose any name here. I can choose maybe say my wallet, or I can say Jarrao wallet, and then I save this. So it's now called the Jarrao wallet. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you set up Trust Wallet, as easy as this. Thank you. If you like this video, share it to your friends who are new to the crypto space. like and subscribe, and you can even comment in case you're stuck anywhere. But in the next video, I'll show you how to I'll take you through a quick look through of all this. There's tokens, as you can see above, there's finance, collectibles, dApps, DEX settings. I'll show you how this all works. Thank you.